All right, let's get into it. When you first walk in, over on your right hand side, you got your control. Ooh. How did you do that? Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to take an inside and outside look at our very first 2025 Midnight Edition. This is a Keystone Cougar 260MLE, and like I said, it's our Midnight Edition. This one is Phantom Gray. It is gorgeous, but I did want to mention we're filming this in July of 2024. So this is an early season 2025, so things could change as the line goes on, but for now, it is gorgeous and we'll check it out. But before you get into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified when we post a new video. Now, let's get into it. Before we get started with our outdoor entertainment side, I did want to tell y'all one thing. We have a lot of comments and questions of people asking if the Midnight Edition does make it a little bit hotter just because of the dark outer paint. And I have to tell you guys, it does not make it any hotter. This is very well insulated, so it's going to be about the same as any other camper. I'm in here all day going through all the campers, whether it's a white on the outside or a dark one, and it's honestly the exact same inside, so you do not have to worry about that. Now let's get into all the specs. You can see we do have a gorgeous awning out here, and it does go over our entryway. You also have a blue LED strip. I love that. It pops on this gorgeous dark color. Very, very nice. You also have some indoor outdoor speakers so you can listen to music inside and outside. We have a good amount of storage that we'll get into in a second. You've got your Lippert stairs. These are super sturdy. We also do have our safety rail. This is nice because it does have a nice little sturdy handle for you to get up into the camper. But the best part is probably up here, so let's go check it out. At the back of the camper, we have a couple of things we can look at back here. First off, we do have these frameless windows. I love the cohesive look on these, especially on the Midnight Edition. It's super nice. And you can see down at the bottom, this does have underlit lighting as well, and it's that same blue color, so that's very nice too. And the best part, we also have a mini fridge and a capital griddle back here. So if you want to make some burgers or some hot dogs or you're hanging out outside, you can pull this out, cook your food, and store all your beverages right here. Now, let's check out the storage. In the very front of this Cougar, we have a massive pass-through storage space. I can put my arms all the way out, and I have plenty of room in here. This is a great place to put all of your outdoor items because you do have an easy to clean out floor, and it is a gripped surface as well, so when you're going down the road, nothing's gonna be moving around in here. We do have an LED strip over here. Even on my side, you have a USB and a USB-C port, so if you're hanging out outside and need to plug in your phone, that's an easy place to do that. You also have an electrical outlet, an added light over there. And one little change about this area is over on that side, usually that door just opens right up, but they wanted to make it a little bit easier, so you pull that wire right there and it makes the door open, so it makes it pretty easy for you guys. And over on your side as well, you have all the hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. Now, check out the inside. When you first walk in, over on your right-hand side, you do have your control panel. This is where you're gonna control your two slides, your awning, and all of your lights. You also do have your main light switch up here with a dimmer switch, so if you wanna make it a little bit more moody lighting, you can easily do that. We have lots of storage in this Cougar, so over on my right-hand side, we kind of do have our little butler's pantry area. This has plenty of space for all your glasses, cups, things like that. And I love how there's this cutout space. I would throw my keys up there, maybe some smaller items, so you can grab it and run out the door very easily. We also do have an electrical outlet right here, so if you wanna make this a coffee bar, you have the space to do that because you do have some good countertop space. You also do have even more storage under there, but the best part is you do have a very nice sized pantry right here. This opens up, giving you a ton of room, and I love how that light automatically comes on. You can definitely fit some dog food in here or even some full-size cereal boxes. Now, check out our slide. In our living room slide, we do have some very comfy theater seats. I'm sitting here. I love the way these feel. Super nice, and they actually do recline. You have two pulleys right on either side of this middle seat, so you can easily kick this out and relax. You also do have a couple of little storage areas right here. You have place for your cups, and it does have a light right here, so you can easily turn those on. You have some buttons right here. It looks like there's a heat setting and maybe a back massage setting. We also do have USB ports, and this opens up, giving you even more USBs and some electrical outlets. You can plug in your phones, different items. We have a couple of windows back here, so you're still getting those gorgeous views. And we also do have our fridge in this. So this opens up, you have a massive fridge and freezer space, but we're not even done with our kitchen, so let's check out the rest. We have a gorgeous L-shaped kitchen in here with tons of storage. We have some overhead storage up here. This is honestly super large, so you could easily fit some pots and pans up there. Or if you're a little bit on the shorter side, I am about 5'8", so you can see I can reach up there. But if you're shorter, you can just use that as a junk drawer. It doesn't really matter. We have our microwave underneath that and your typical 3-burner stovetop with that splash guard. You do have a little bit more storage underneath, and over to the side, you have your sink with a good amount underneath here. You have plenty of places to put all of your cleaning supplies, and they've given you a nice drying rack for your sink with a detachable sink nozzle. You have even more storage space over here, and one cool thing is you do have 2 charging stations. So this little circle right here and over on the other side there comes up, and it gives you tons of electrical outlets, and it even gives you a USB and a USB-C port. So no matter what you want to plug in, whether it be an air fryer or your phone, you have plenty of room for that. You have even more storage over the sink and off to the side for all of your canned goods. More storage to the other both sides for plates and cups or other items. Tons of countertop space and some drawers over here. They've given you a little dish in here for all of your silverware. But my favorite part is this designated storage right here. This comes out and it gives you 2 nice storage places for all of your garbage. And you have some more storage up here along with this nice little paper towel holder. Who doesn't need that? Put that back in there. And you have a little bit of storage over to the side for extra cleaning supplies. And right here we have even more countertop space, you guys. This is massive. You can decorate this, put some nice board games up here, maybe a couple of pictures of your family. Up above that, you have a massive TV, but this TV does come down. I'll pull that down in a second to show you guys. And I know you're thinking, I don't have a dining room table. I'm pretty bummed about that. Well, don't worry. Right by your fireplace right here, you actually do have a hidden dining room table. So I'm gonna pull it out and show you guys. All right, now you can see that we do have this gorgeous dining room table right here. This is perfect to eat dinner, or if you have some kids who need to do homework, they can easily sit here and do all their work. And I did pull this TV down. This is nice just so you can get a little bit of a better view from your theater seats. And I know now you're thinking, well, what seats am I going to use in my dining room table? Right over here, we do have a nice little storage compartment, and there are some seats under there, but I'm not going to pull them out right now, you guys, but you do have that option, so that's great for that. And right above it as well, you have this Bluetooth system. Now, let's check out the bathroom. In our hallway, we do have a very nice sized bathroom. You have a mirror front medicine cabinet, and this it does open up, giving you a place for all of your toiletries. Down below that, you have a decent amount of countertop space with your sink, an electrical outlet, and you have some storage right here. You have a couple of drawers and some storage under here for your garbage can. On the other side of the room, we have our porcelain step to flush toilet. You have a little bit of space to put all of your towels right here, and even a place to hang a towel behind the toilet. But the best part is our shower. We have a skylight in here, some built-in shelves over to the side. You even have a seat over on this side. But the best part, you can easily wash your hair because you have a detachable shower head, and it is a pretty deep shower, so all the water is going to stay in the floor and not run out. Now, check out the bedroom. Our bedroom is in the very front of this Cougar, and we have a lot to cover, so let's get into it. Right here, we have a place for our TV. It is a TV backer location. Down below that, you have a nice dresser, and it has a secret compartment, not department. At the top, you have a place for all of your jewelry or different items you kind of just want hidden away. Down below that, we have 2 smaller little drawers, and you have 2 large drawers right here. Now we have 2 closets in here. This one right here is a great place to put all of your coats and different items. We have some shelves, but if you don't need this much closet space, this actually is washer dryer prepped, so you can turn this into a washing machine closet. That's super nice. On the other side of that, you have a place to put all of your clothes. You have this nice shelf up here and room for all of your shoes down at the bottom. I love this hanging bar in here because they have put an LED strip all the way across it, so it keeps things nice and bright. And this is a mirror front closet, so you can see yourself while you're getting ready in the morning, so you don't have a crazy outfit on. Now, the best part of the room is your king size bed. Super comfy. You even have some windows, and I love that little backsplash on the back. Right above your windows, you do have a nice little shelf, so you can put your reading glasses there or a glass of water. And over on this side, let me check. Yep, just on this side, we do have an electrical outlet and a USB and a USB-C port, so you can plug in your CPAP machine or your phone, whatever you need plugged in right by the bed. So if you like this unit or any other unit in our Cougar Keystone line, make sure you give us a call, a text, or visit us online at cookerrv.com where your adventure awaits.